Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Charmeleon. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the eye. Draw a diagonal line here near the top of the page. On the right side, step in slightly and draw a curved line down. On the left side, move in slightly and draw a short line down. Then from this line, draw a line across, but stop here. Don't close off the shape completely. Inside, draw a small curved line towards the inside, and then another curve here. Inside this shape at the top, draw a small oval. Then draw another curved line down from the oval. Color in the pupil black. On the left side of the eye, draw a curved line here. Now leave a gap and draw another similar line over to the left. Underneath this line, leave a small space and then draw a line up to the left. Next, from the bottom of this line, draw a line down to the left and curve it in at the bottom. Now in the indent here, draw a curve for the other eye. Draw another curve inside this one for the pupil. Let's draw the top of the head now. From the top of the line here, draw a line up to the right and then curve it back up like this. Continue this line to the right, stopping above the middle of the eye. Now I'm going to leave a gap and draw a line down this way, stopping at the same level as the bottom of the eye. Now in between the gap we left, draw a long U shape. Now let's continue the right side of the head. Draw a line down and in, and then curve it back out. Let's finish the mouth now. Hop back over to the left side and draw a wide V shape here. Continue this line over to the right like this. Then draw a small line at the end. Step in from the top of the mouth a bit and then draw the chin like this. Now draw the other side of the neck with a curved line down here. Then draw a small line on the neck here. Next, I'm just going to draw the outline of the belly to help me position the arm. Leave a gap and then draw a curved line down and then back in to the right, like this. Now we can go back up and draw the left arm. From the neck, draw a straight line out. From this line, draw a curved line down and to the left. Draw the underside of the arm here like this. Now draw the forearm with lines going slightly outwards on either side like this. Now let's draw the hand. On the bottom, draw a small line inwards. Draw a curve upwards here, then close it off with a V shape for the nail. Draw another short line, Draw a curve up and out and hook it down like this. Then close it off for the second nail. Next, draw a C shape here on the left of the nail. And then on the right side, a small V. Now close off the hand with a line on the top. Now let's draw the other arm. From the other side of the neck, draw a line to the right. Draw the top of the upper arm with a curved line like this. Leave a space the same size as the other arm and draw the bottom of the upper arm. Next, draw the sides of the forearm with 2 lines coming down. They should stop at the same level. Now let's draw the hand. On the left side, draw a small line in. Come up a little and draw a curve down to the right. On the top, draw a straight line and then close off the nail. Draw another small line across here, and then draw another nail like this. Draw the third nail with a diagonal line here, and then close it off. Let's finish the body now. Under the right arm, come in and then draw a curved line down, stopping above the right hand nails. Now, draw the side of the leg. Draw a line down, curve it towards the nail, then back in, and then out again at the bottom. Do the same thing for the other side of the leg, but make this one a bit more curvy, like this. On the left, let's draw the first toenail like this. Then draw a short line across. Draw a diamond shape for the next nail. Another short line. Then another skinnier diamond for the last nail. Close off the foot with another short line. Add some lines in the leg like this for some more detail. Let's move on to the other leg now. From the middle of the belly, draw a line down to the left and then curve it downwards like this. From the bottom of the belly, draw a curved line down, stopping at the same level as the other side of the leg. Draw the bottom of the foot next, like this. Then draw 3 toenails outwards to the left. Lastly, close off the top of the foot and then draw 2 lines on the knee. Now, from the left armpit, draw a curved line up and back down to the right leg for the belly. Lastly, let's draw the tail. Starting from the side of the leg, right under the fingernails, draw a curved line to the right and then curve it upwards. Draw the bottom of the tail the same way, but make the line closer as you go up. Inside, draw another curved line here. Now I'm going to draw the flame at the end of the tail. You can copy mine or draw your own shape. Sorry, I forgot one thing earlier, so I'm just going to add it now. Draw a small line above the mouth here for the nostril. And now we're done. So that's it for Charmeleon. Let's color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. For more Pokemon videos, be sure to check out my Pokemon drawing tutorials playlist. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.